Hey everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, I will walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to sew a full circle dress in CLO 3D. We'll cover everything from changing the avatar size to Missy Curvy 10, importing a pattern and fabric texture, placing the patterns onto the avatar, sewing the pattern, applying an invisible zipper, fitting the pattern, and rendering the final design. Step number 1, we are going to change the avatar size to Missy Curvy 10. To do so, first I will come over here to the Library tab, and I'm going to scroll down here until I see this avatar folder. Double click on it to open. Then come down here to this Asset tab. I want to double click on the female_v2. Then come down here, you can select any default avatar as you like. I will select Maya, so double click on her to load her onto the workspace. Alright, next we are going to change the avatar size here. To do so, we'll come over here. So by default, I'm here still in the avatar folder. Be sure to come over here to the side folder, double click on it to open, and we want to select Missy Curvy. So double click on that folder to open once again, guys. It is a lot of double click, that's just close. And next we want to double click right here, Missy Curvy size 10, okay? And by default, I have this information warn me about changing the avatar size, which just click on OK. And then wait for the magic to happen. Next, we are going to import a DXF pattern into CLO. Alright, we have two options here. We can either go to File and then go to Import and then select DXF, or you can go to the plus sign here, click on it, and over here I'm going to select the entire folder that I want to bring into CLO. For this example, I want to go to Desktop and then navigate to my folder. So I have this revised 3 circle dress. Simply click on that folder and then open to bring that folder into CLO. So over here under Library, once again, be sure you are on this favorite, okay? And then I'm going to slide down here, and then right here, this is the folder that I brought in earlier. I'm going to double click on that folder, and right here I have done DXF, or I also have the PDF. So if you guys just download this pattern from Etsy, you will see 2 files. One is DXF and one is PDF. You can bring either file into CLO. I would recommend bring in the DXF file, okay? Simply, once again, double click, and by default, I have load type open. I'm going to change that to add, and then scale, auto scale, do not rotate, maintain original, perfect. So under option here, we have import pattern, annotation, auto trace as internal line, swap cutting line, and sewing line, include notches. And notch position, we want to check the ratio box. After that, I'm going to click on OK. And there we go. So by default, I have this pattern selected. I'm going to click one on the page here to deselect. And over here, we have this internal line or active. We're going to convert them to baseline. To do that, I will use the transform pattern tool. My key selects all the pattern pieces. Okay, I just made a mistake here. Instead of select just the internal line, I select the entire pattern. So we want to back up. I'm going to click one on the page here. Before I'm going to my key select all these patterns, I will right click on the page here and then select unlock all pattern outline. Now I'm okay to my key selects all these internal line here. So my key selects all the internal line there, and I'm going to right click and then select convert to baseline. Alright, now I'm going to right click on the page once again and then unlock all pattern outline, just like that, guys. Now step number 3, we are going to place this pattern onto the avatar. To do so, first we want to place the top pattern, and I will come over here to the vertical toggle menu and then click on this avatar icon, and then we want to select the show arrangement point, and after that I'm going to zoom in a little. So we want to place this front pattern first. Simply my key select that front pattern, hover the mouse over the avatar, click one to place, and I'm going to rotate it to the left. Simply right click and then press on command or control and then drag. And after that, right here I'm going to place the left side. Simply click over here and then click one right here to place, and now the right side, click right here. And next we are going to sew this pattern. So I'm going to right now freeze or deactivate this pattern, however you like. In this case, I'm going to my key select this bottom part, right click, and then select freeze. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and remember to follow me on Encoder Fashion for more awesome videos like this. Bye! See you next video.